Welcome to the How to Use NextDNS video guide. 1. Download NextDNS from the App Store and launch the app. 2. Tap Settings at the bottom of the screen. 3. In the search bar, type VPN and select VPN and Device Management. 4. Tap DNS, then choose NextDNS from the list. 5. Go back to the NextDNS app and tap the menu icon in the top right. 6. Toggle Use Ultra-Low Latency Network off. 7. Open your mobile browser, go to NextDNS and tap Try. 8. Copy the configuration ID shown on screen. 9. In the NextDNS app, tap Privacy, tap Add Block List, then add the following lists. 10. Add Apple to the native tracking protection list. 11. Open Deny List and register these domains. 12. Create a NextDNS account to save your settings, otherwise they'll reset after 7 days. 13. Tap the menu, again, enable Use Custom Configuration, and enter the configuration ID you noted. 14. Verify that NextDNS is active. Now you can use PoGoskill to change your location and play Pokemon Go from anywhere in the world. If this doesn't work, watch another associated video. Or please contact the customer service team.